Hey Cece, hey, thanks for joining. So today we're gonna do some maths again, some maths revision. I'm gonna try this paper. Just gonna wait a couple of seconds before I actually start doing the work. Hi Cece, nice that you're here today. I hope you're having a good day. Hope you had a great day today. Wait, are you are you Christina? Christina, no? I feel like your name me suena de algo. And yeah, she's doing good. She's doing good. Oh, no wonder. Tu nombre me sonaba de I knew you from somewhere. I knew the profile picture, but I wasn't fully sure. But then you confirmed it with with your answers. They're doing good. Hopefully you're doing good too, Christina. Hopefully you're doing good as well. So I'm just doing some random maths. I haven't studied maths in like 5 years. But I'm still gonna attempt to do it. I'm gonna attempt to do the non-calculator exam. You didn't even recognize me. I actually did. I recognized you eventually. Remember, I said your name at the end. I said your name. I said your name. I didn't want to guess. I didn't want to guess. I didn't want to take a risk. But I remembered. I remembered. I hope you're having a great day, Christina. But anyways, we're gonna start. So if Christina, if you're doing your GCSEs, you better study, eh? You better study. You better study hard. So now let's go to the first question. I may do it correctly, I may do it bad because I haven't studied in a long time. I am. Thank you. I hope you are too. I'm glad. I'm glad you are. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's very good. Hopefully the studies have been going good as well. Hopefully the studies have been going well. You can do it. Good luck with your exams. I think they're in like July, June, July for you guys. So, wow. You can do it. You still have a lot of time to prepare. You still have a lot of time. All right, I'm going to try to answer the first question. I may get it wrong because I haven't studied math in 5 years, but it's okay to make mistakes in life. Oh, I think I need a mouse because I'm using my finger. Anyways, let's attempt this. On the 15th of May. Oh, so you have... Oh, yes, exactly 1 month. That's enough to prepare yourself to... That's enough to prepare yourself for the exam, actually. 1 month. You can still do it. 30 days. Or 31 days. And it's maths. You can do it. That's enough time. That's enough time. You're just going to practice every day. Or not. Yeah, every day or just often. Often. I'll be back in a second. I need to get a mouse because I can't write properly. But anyways, I'm going to check if this is the right answer. 2 and 3. I'm not sure what a prime number is again. I think it means it can be multiplied. Oops. The answer is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Or 2, 2, 3, 3. Oh, shoot. I got it wrong. Okay. So I guess the answer is 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay. I'll be back in a couple of seconds. My first GCSE is in 16 days. Wow. Your first is in 16 days. Must be English, I think, or the languages. Wow, good luck with it. You have 2 weeks. You must be in holiday right now, no? Holiday season to study. Just, you can do it. Wow. Spanish, yeah, the Spanish. I remember when I had to do my exams, it was the languages that were first. The languages were the first ones. The listening, the speaking, and the writing. You can do it. Thank you. Yes, I am. Wow. GCSEs. It's not easy, but you can do it. It's doable. I'll be back in a couple of seconds. I need to get a mouse to actually be able to write properly because I'm using my finger and it's hard to like write properly. So I'll be back in a second. All right, we're back. Got this question wrong, so don't copy this answer. I'm gonna go for this one. This maths past paper 2017 November. I'm going to try to answer this. This is the non-calculator exam. So if you guys are doing your GCSEs as well, it may be good practice as well. All right. Find the ratio of Jay's age to Kiara's age to Martha's age. Okay, we're looking for the ratio of Jay's age to Kiara's age to Martha's age. Kiara is 7 years. How the heck am I going to do this? Martha is twice the... Kiara is 7 years older than Jay. Okay, I'm going to draw 7 boxes. I think drawing helps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Martha is twice as old as Kiara. So I guess she's 14 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The sum of their 3 ages is 77. Wait a minute. Actually, I think I'm going to add 1 box for Jay and add another box for Kiara. She's 4 years older. 7 years older. Then add 2 boxes for Martha, since Martha is twice the age of Kiara. And now we know that all these boxes added up together is equal to 77. So here we have 8, here we have 16, and here we have 1. So 16 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 25. And we want to know the value of each box. So 77 divided by 20. Wait, am I doing this right? I don't know. For sure. I'm winging this. Maybe this is wrong, not gonna lie. Let's see. If I times it by 3, it gives me 2, 0, 0, 9, 8, no, 6, 12, 7, 8. Oh, the answer will be 8. Okay, 3.08. Does that make sense? I don't know. I don't know. Is it 3.8 or thingy? Ignore this answer thingy because I don't understand. So I'm going to move on to the next one. I'm confused with this question as well, actually, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna have to move to the next one. It's actually crazy. I actually don't understand these questions. Like, I don't know how to answer it. Or maybe I need to think more. Damn, GCS is like easy. For what that means. I feel like this one I can do it. Let's see. 3 teas and 2 coffees have a total cost of 780. 5 teas and 4 coffees have a total cost of 1420. Work out the cost of 1 tea and 1 cost of coffee. Oh, I feel like I remember a bit of this. So 3T plus 2C equal 7.80. Okay. 5T plus 4C equals 14 pound 20. So I think I feel times them together. I don't know. I don't want to take a risk. What do you guys think I have to do from here? What do you guys think I go from here? I think I have to times 14.2 times that. 14.2 times this. But does that make sense? I don't understand. Gonna check the math scheme. Question 11. 3T plus 2C. Okay, I will only get 1 mark for my question. For a method to eliminate one variable, condone an arithmetic error. For a method to substitute found variable or start again. Alright, sorry, I had to fake a call. That's why I was on mute. Someone said, Hailstorm said, times the 3 teas and coffees by 2. Okay, let's do that. Wait, how? Times the 3 teas and take the bottom one from the top one. I take the bottom one from the top one. I don't understand. To get the price of tea, then substitute. I should times the whole equation by 2. The whole top equation by 2. Okay, I'll times the whole top equation by 2. So this will give me 6T plus 4C equals 15.6. Yes, so now where do we go from here? Thank you very much. So you said now substitute. So what would be the next move from this part? if you take the second equation from the first, it will give you the equation for just t. Oh, true. So, okay, so let's do 6t plus 4c minus 5t minus 4c and then minus 14.2. So I guess it gives us, oh yeah, thank you very much for the contribution. It makes sense. So tell me 1t is £1.40 then. Thank you so much. And I guess now we substitute. That's what you said. Okay, so now let's do the substitution for the top one. If 1t is £1.40, or for this one, let me find out this equation. 5 times 1.4. Okay. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? Okay, got 0, 20, 0, 5. So £7, and then 14.2, take away £7, so equal to 7.2, and 7.2. Thank you very much, Hellstorm. Thank you very much. Thanks to you, I was able to solve this equation. And then after do the division, it gives me this, then 3.2, I guess, and then 8. So this will be £1.80. Now let's double check the math scheme, and it's correct. Thank you very much, Hellstorm. Solve this equation. I was confused, and yeah, it makes sense right now. Thank you. Now let's move on to the next maths question. The table, oh, I don't like this medium and this quartile things. Right? I'm gonna skip this, sorry. Should we attempt this one? Let's try this question. Question number 13. A factory makes 450 pies every day. The pies are chicken pies or steak pies. Each day, Milo takes a sample of 15 pies to check. The proportion of the pies in his sample that are chicken is the same as the proportion of the pies made that day that are chicken. What? On Monday, Milo calculated that he needed exactly 4 chicken pies in his sample. Work out the total number of chicken pies that were made on Monday. If you guys have an answer or the first steps, let me know. A factory makes 450 pies per day. The 450 pies are chicken pies or steak pies. Each day, Milo takes a sample of 15 pies to check. The proportion of pies in his sample that are chicken is the same as the proportion of pies. What? The proportion of pies in the sample that are chicken is the same as the proportion of pies that are made that what? Same as the proportion of the pies made that day that are chicken. Okay. The proportion of the pies in his sample that are chicken is the same as the I'm confused. I'm confused already. I'm confused, and this is just 2 marks. 2 marks, and I'm already confused. I'm flabbergasted. Literally. Okay, so out of the 15 pies, he checks 4. So out of the 15 pies, he checks 4 are chicken. How did he get number 4? On Monday, when I calculated that he needed exactly 4 chicken pies in his sample. Oh, so you're telling me, so out of the 15 pies, and he only makes chicken or steak? Yes. So out of the 15 pies, he checks 4 are chicken. And the sample that are chicken is the same as the... I don't understand this sentence here. So the first step is to work out how many steak pies he has compared to the chicken in the sample. To work out how many steak pies he has compared to the chicken in the sample. All right, so how will we do that then? In the sample. All right, this is a tricky question. 4 chicken pies. So 14 take away 4 is 11. 15. Take away 4 is 11. Thank you, Hellstrom. So what will we do next? And what does 11 represent? Oh, does 11 represent this number of steaks? So there are 11 steak pies compared to 4 chicken pies in the sample. Okay. Thank you. Steak pies. All right. In the sample. So what's next? So the ratio is 4 to 11. Thank you very much. Makes a lot of sense. So there's 15 samples in total. So this is chicken and this is steak. Yep. And now we need to find out what Monday. Oh, work out the number of chickens that were made that day. So I guess from now, do we do 450 divided by 15? And then whatever that number is, times it by 4. So is that what you are thinking as well? So basically 450. Yep. Okay, cool. So let's do this equation, and I think it gives us 30. I think it's 30. Great job. Thank you. Great job to you too, Hellstorm. You really helped me. If you didn't give me your tips, I'm 100% certain I wouldn't have known how to answer this question. So great job to you. You are doing good. You're doing amazing. Thank you very much. Very good at explaining things. So 30 times 4 will be 120. And I guess 120 chicken pies are needed. And now let's check the answer. This is question 13. Yeah, thank you very much. We got this answer correct. Now let's move on to the next question. On Tuesday, the number of steak pies Milo needs in the sample is 6. Correct to the nearest whole number. Milo takes a random pie from the 450 pies made on Thursday. Work out the lower bound of the probability that the pie is a steak pie. Probabilities. I don't know. I don't know about probabilities. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to skip this one completely. Like, I remember, I think do we have to like draw these kind of graphs, right? For this question. I don't know what I will write. So unfortunately, guys, I'm gonna have to skip this question. Dang, this is actually hard. Wow. Prove algebraically that x can be written as 24 over 55. Oh, another hard one. Let's move on to the 5 marks. Let's move on to the 5 marks. We have a 5-mark question right here. So let's see if we can. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is tricky. This is tricky. The one I did yesterday wasn't as bad as this. As tricky as this. There are two possible values for x. Work out each of these values. State any assumptions you made in the working. Okay. What's one assumption that you guys would have made for this question? What are we working out? Oh, the value of x, the two possible values. Oh, we're working out like the length of the sides, not the angles. I genuinely don't know. Is this, does this have to do with SOHCAHTOA or something? SOHCAHTOA, that's sin constant rule. Yeah, right? SOHCAHTOA or Pythagoras theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Nah, I don't know. Similar means that the ratio of the sides in the shape are similar. Not this one. Not this one. As it's not asking about angles. You're right. It can be about cinco. It's about this one. It can be this then. I see. So where will you go from here? And Pythagoras is only when it has a 90-degree angle as one of the angles. Oh, is it? Then I guess it doesn't apply here then. Thank you very much. So how will we go from here then? What would we do? I'm actually lost. Like, I don't know any assumptions that I will make that has nothing to do with angles. Okay, so 8 to 12 is in the same ratio as 8 plus x to 12 plus 3. 8. Wait. So you said 8 to 12. 8 to 12. These two. 12 is in the same ratio as 3 to thingy. Easy. Okay, let me just write what you said. So you said 8 to 12 is in the same ratio as 8 plus x to 12 plus 3. So what does this mean then? What does this mean? So what would you go from here? I am completely lost. I don't remember how to answer this question, honestly. And I'm guessing you're saying this ratio is the same as this ratio. For me, I don't understand why. Oh, is it because it's a perpendicular line? Or is it even perpendicular? I don't know. Or would you also try to draw a 90-degree angle from here? And then do Pythagoras to work out this angle. and then do, no, that doesn't make sense. So 8 to 12 as a ratio simplified is 2 to 3. You divide both sides by 4. All right, so we divide both sides by 4, and we get 2 to 3. Okay, thank you. So now add 8 plus x to the ratio of 2 plus 3 is 8x. 8 plus x plus 215. Yeah, that's simplified. Okay, I'll write that. 8 plus x 215. Okay, so where will we go from here? Let me make this clearer. 8 plus x. So that's 15. This is 8 plus x. So Hellstrom said, so I think x is 2 as 10 to 15 is the same as the ratio of 2 to 3. All right. Oh, because if you add 2 there, it will be 10 to 15. That's what Hellstrom is saying, and that's technically equal to 2 to 3. Okay, so you're saying a possible value of x could be 10. Thank you very much, Hellstrom. Thank you. And this question tells us that there are 2 possible values for x. So what could be the other value then? According to this thing, I think there must be 2 answers. Or is there just one? Yeah, maybe 2 answers, 2 possible values. So what could it be? This question is the toughest I've seen today. So you know what? Let's check the answers. This is question number 22. Let's see. All right, the question is very complicated. How the heck did they even get that? I also think it's 14.5. Yeah, correct. Correct. It does equate to that as well. You got it. 14.5. All you need to know is that the ratio of 8 to 12 will be the same as 8 plus x to 15. Oh, interesting. Algebra is hard. But you guys got the answer correct, so that's good. So the 15 centimeter side can also be the 2 in the 2 to 3 ratio. N equals 15 over 12. Oh, I see. 12 times n equals 15. That's how you did n equals 15 over 12. Wow. Thank you, guys. You guys are very intelligent. 8 times n equals 8 plus x. 8 times n. Okay. Let's move on to a different question. You guys got the answer correct. That's what matters, that you guys got it. So well done to you guys. Disclaimer. I ain't teaching no one here. Because, wait, x equals 10. Oh no, according to the answer, x should be 2 or 14.5. 2 or 14.5. That answer was wrong. Yeah, this is the mark scheme. Yeah. Oh, don't worry, no worries. By the way, guys, I'm not an expert in maths. I studied maths 5 years ago, so I'm just seeing what I remember. That's why I'm literally lost with 99% of everything in this mock exam. In this real exam of 2017. I don't think I'll pass it if I did it right now, not gonna lie. It's 4 recurring. Oops. 4 recurring. 4 recurring. Yeah, this is the answer. Oh, you mean it's 2.145. Oh. Maybe. I'm not sure. In the mark scheme, it only says 2. Maybe the mark scheme estimated to a whole number. Yeah, there are 2 separate answers. Yeah. The question was looking for 2 possible values of x's. The question was looking for 2 possible values of x's. So we needed 2 answers. So the answer was 2 and 14.5. So both answers were correct. You needed to have both answers to get the full 5 marks. So the answer was 2 and 14.5. 2 and 14.5. So if you wrote that the answer was 2 and 14.5, you will get the whole 5 marks for this question. All right. This was tough. I couldn't do most of it, but I'm going to move on to a different past paper. So I'll be back in a couple of seconds. Oh, sorry. Thanks for letting me know. I was speaking the whole time. I didn't even notice. I didn't even notice. Well, I got the question wrong, as you guys can see. I wrote that the answer was 28.3. I don't know where I got that from. But this is my working out. But it's very misleading. So you guys don't listen to this at all. Don't want to mislead you guys. But anyways, I want to show the what's it called? The mark scheme to show you guys what the right answer would have been and why. Someone said, Il said 7 minus 3 minus 2. 7 minus 3 minus 2. 7 minus 3. Oh, 7 minus 3 to the power of 2. Or 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. Oh, I think what you said is in the mark scheme. I think you got it right. Probably. I wish the mark scheme was more clear on how to solve this question rather than just giving me the answer. But I guess it's just straight to the point. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Oh no. Actually, I think this is doable. Let's see. This question is 2 marks. If you guys have your answers ready, out already, if you calculated already before me, let me know. I'm going to do it at the same time. Yes, someone, Hellstorm says substitute the values into the equation. Yes, okay, I'm doing it right. Thank you. I hope, yeah. So now let's do 144, take away 108. Okay, so we know that v squared is equal to 36. To get rid of that squared, we do this thing to both sides. So v is equal to 6. I wonder if you guys got the same answer. For now, let's check the mark scheme. Question 2. Okay, we got it 6. Well done. Thank you very much. Well done to you guys if you got it right as well. Now let's move on to the next question. Make S the subject of b squared. Make S the subject of b squared equals u squared plus 2as. So I guess we need to do some algebra. Okay. Let's do this. I think I'll do minus u squared minus u squared. So I'll get v squared minus u squared equals 2as. And I'll divide it by 2a, divide this by 2a, and I will get v squared minus u squared over 2a equals s. So basically s equals v squared minus u squared over 2a. I'm actually meant to look for s. Okay, never mind. That's my answer. S equals v squared minus u squared over 2a. I hope it's correct. I wonder if you guys got the same thing. That's what I think it is. Okay, cool. Hellstorm agrees. Now let's check the mark scheme to see if we are correct. Hopefully, please. Yes, we are correct. We got this answer right? And here is the mark scheme for anyone. So yeah, we got it right. So we got the first 4 marks of the exam. Actually, the first 4 marks out of 6 of the exam, because I skipped the first one actually. Oh my gosh. This question, problem solving, it looks like a juicy question. Let's attempt it. A bonus of, hopefully this is close enough so you guys can read it. A bonus of 2,100 is shared by 10 people who work for a company. 40% of the bonus is shared equally between 3 managers. The rest of the bonus is shared equally between 7 salesmen. One of the salesmen says, if the bonus is shared equally between all 10 people, I will get 25% more money. Is the salesman correct? You must show how you get your answer. So what you guys think? Hopefully, if you guys are trying to do this exam with me, you should have like a piece of paper as well. Unless you can do it all in your head. But yeah, type in your answers, or what, or the first thing you'll do to work out this answer. What's the first thing you'll write? Usually I'm gonna underline the key info first and read it again, because I don't know, the first time I read it didn't enter my head. Bonus 2,100 is shared by 10 people. Okay, so each doesn't say if it's equally or not. Okay, 40% of the bonus is shared equally. Okay, 40% of the bonus is shared equally between 3 managers. I need to work out what 40% of this is. The rest of the bonus is shared equally between 7 salesmen. All right. One of the salesmen says, if the bonus is shared equally between all 10 people, I will get 25% more money. Okay. So the ratio of the bonus for managers compared to salesmen is 40 to 60, said Hellstrom. Yeah, that's very correct. I agree with you. 40 to 60 is the ratio of the bonus that the managers get compared to what the salesmen get. Yeah. Or 4 to 6. Yeah, that's more simplified. Yeah. So divide 2,100 by 10 and times 4 and times by 4 for the managers. Okay, let's do that. Thank you. 2,100